guys, I got a fish on. He came back to get it again after he got off. Oop. It's a little dink. Oh no. Up. He got away. Oh well. Wasn't a big guy anyways. They got a big fish on. Big fish. He's running with it. Good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Don't want to lose him. That is one good fish. Don't jump. Stay down. Stay down. Oh no. Stupid move by me. Crud. Lost a good fish, guys. Real good fish. Hey guys, I got a good fish on. A real good fish. Oh my gosh, look at that fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Real good fish. Yeah. See that fish? Look at that one. Woohoo. Good bass, guys. Good bass. On a wacky rig, guys. Oh, well, he just snapped my line. Gotta get that hook out, though. Grab some pliers. Good fish. Guys, let me get a back in the water real quick. I need a spot where I can go. There's the fish, guys. Good fish. Let me get a scale, a wham. Go over here. It's on the wacky rig, guys. My guess is he's maybe about 2 pounds at max. There he is again. Maybe a pound and a half. Let's see. I could probably get down right over here. A pound and a half. It says 11 or 1.12 is his weight. That's a good bass, guys. Good bass. Using an inline spinner right now, seeing what I could get. There's that little fish following it. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Good fish. Good fish. Ooh, good fish. That's a good fish. Stay down, fish. Ooh. Ooh. Good fish, guys. That's a good fish. It's a real good fish, guys. Real good fish. I think that's a 3-pounder right there. Come on, bud. Get in here. No, no, stay down, stay down. Stay down, fish. Stay down, stay down. Watch him come up and hit it. Stay down. Come here, fish. Come here, come here. Yes, guys. Yes. Look at that bass. Look at him. It's a pig. 3-pounder. That's a pig. Alright, guys. I'm going to show a guy right across from me. He's actually in another pond over here. I'm going to go show him real quick. A 3-pounder, solid fish, guys. Let's see if I can get the release here. Alright, and he's off. Good fish, guys. Real good fish. Guys, got a fish on. Small one though, compared to my last one. This is a really little dink. Barely hooked in the side of the mouth. Whoop. I don't want to get hooked again. Been hooked one too many times. There he is, guys. Nowhere close to a pound, but a little fighter.